Oh my god, what do I have for you today? Lenses. Lenses, and it's big. Let's get it. So hello guys, and welcome to yet again another video of me trying lenses and telling you what I think about it. I'm sorry if the camera moves, it's the dog. He's very nicely sleeping underneath. How cute. Okay, so yes, I got a big pack and it is from Coleyes. I know how much you guys love Coleyes, and I do too. And this is a little pack of extras and like the winter season, some of the things you might get too according to your order. And we're about to open this. It's got 8 colors, I believe, in it. We're gonna see for today and for tomorrow or like on another video, so that this does not get too long. But yes, you can get comfy. Go grab yourself a tea, a coffee, because we're about to witness some beautiful new colors, perfect for brown eyes. I have my codes, of course, so that you can save a buck. My code is Stella20 with 20% off of your entire order. Or listen to this, my code has changed, so now you can buy 2 and get 3 for free, which equals 5 pairs, which you only have to pay for 2. So you're welcome. Code for that is Stella by itself. I will link everything down below, of course. But yeah, let's lose no more time into the intro. And let's get into the actual colors. It's so pretty! You know, I've never really seen PR like this before. Is this my good profile? Bad profile? So, wow. Wow. There are a lot of things in here. Look at this. I think they're mostly all new colors. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, I'm obsessed. We got, of course, the beautiful packaging and all their socials over here with some instructions as well. Choose some colors with me. Wait, this is more than 4. Oh yeah. So I think my Jean Iris was not sitting well on one eye, so I let them know. They told me not to wear it anymore, and they replaced it. This is one of my favorite colors I've tried so far. So if you want my favorites for brown eyes video, let me know. I can make that while my lenses are still not expired. Of course, let's see what's new. Oh my goodness, what do they have in here? They packed some gloves for me. That's perfect for Paris. Oh boy, these are soft and so cute. Do you guys use gloves? Look. That's on purpose. It's for your touch. It says kit. This is so cool. Yep. With a little bit of trial. Okay, you just put your finger out whenever you wanna scroll. Gary, come see these gloves. Looking good, look.
What is this? Aww.
It's for your touch screen.
Really?
Yes! Really cute.
Well, that's cute. What the hell? He threw up, didn't he?
No, he didn't throw out.
I
Did he?
cleaned up some before I came down.
What did he throw out?
Dog food. It was like some undigested dog food.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't see it.
I just didn't know.
It's been good. He went to
Did he
and poop and ran back into this bed and didn't move ever since.
Sup?
Really, maybe I'll give you another try.
Hi. I will leave you to it.
Thanks. So yeah, this is like so cool. It's just effortless. Oh, sorry, Taxi. Oh my goodness, what is this? Is it normal that I go through the freebies first? This is either for sunglasses or for your phone. I brought them glasses. That's perfect for your sunglasses. You can also put it on like this, I guess. That looks good, right? Thank you, Coleyes. You the best. I'm pretty sure, according to your order, like I said, you can also get some freebies. Dear Stella, we want to take this opportunity to express our deepest gratitude for your incredible partnership. That's us, guys. That's us. With Coleyes, your dedication and creativity have been instrumental in helping us connect with your audience, and we couldn't be more thankful for your support, and I am for yours. We're excited to continue this journey with you and look forward to many more moments of success and creativity together, wishing you warmth and happiness always. With gratitude, the Coleyes team. I love Coleyes because they've been nothing but polite. Like, their customer service has been perfect. Their colors are out of this world, FDA approved and all that. Very comfortable, long wear, yearly lenses. Like, you can't go wrong. I will randomly pick this, I'll pick this. And we'll start with these for this video. And the rest are gonna be with the rest of the packaging in part 2. Bear with me, I love you, but nobody wants to watch a 40-minute lenses video review. And that's actually so exciting. I'm gonna start from, let's see, the Icy series I got obsessed with. I really wanted to try it. So we're gonna try the Icy Blue first. It comes in a pack like this, yearly lenses. The diameter of it is 14, so it doesn't enlarge your iris, but it's supposed to give you a nice limbal ring and a perfect, like, very bright color, perfect for brown eyes, right? Every pack like this comes with its case, which looks like this. It's semi-transparent so that you can see which lens you have inside, and I usually write here like when I open them, and that helps me know when they expire. My eyes have 0 correction, but you can get yours with correction on them. Let's get into it. This is what the packaging looks like and what the lens looks like. Looking cool, girl. I'm gonna open this. I'm pretty sure they sent tools too. Yep. These look very silicone-y and transparent. Excuse my nails. I'm about to get my nails done for another video, so you can head on my nailist channel to see that. But yeah, for the time we're going like this. Okay, let's give this a try. Oh no. I don't know what kind of amateur mistake I made, but I failed on my first try, so let's try this again. No mirror needed. You just open up your eye, put it in, look where the lens is placed, and it should fit perfectly. I haven't seen it yet because I'm really far away from the camera, but yeah, let me go get my little mirror. Do I even own a mirror anymore? I don't know. We're gonna use this. Let's see. Oh, wow, that is cute. That is cute. It's kind of like a faded green. It's kind of subtle, but like really, I like it. Oh my god, that is cute. It gives me like a blurring effect on the eye. Like, it doesn't have like too much, you know, going on the lens. Oh, yeah, let me show you in daylight. Okay, coming in with the daylight shots. It's very bright today, thankfully. So you can see, I can't see, but you can probably see the color nice. Oh, holy, I can't see Alright, I guess this will have to do. So yeah, that is undeniably sweet and cute. I am more of a how can I explain it? I want a little more contrast when it comes to the limbal ring and the actual like color, and maybe a little more veininess. Like, I like it when it has some, you know. So yeah, I love this, but I think I want to see if the gray one is a little lighter. Anyway, next to the Icy Grey, which I really hope it looks like it did on the website. We're gonna check it out right now. They're very pretty. They're honestly so soft that sometimes they don't even stay on your finger, but this is just because they're trying to make them very comfortable. So when you're wearing them, you won't even feel that they're there, you know? Oh, this is a darker gray. It looks very wintry. Like it looks a little different than what I was expecting. You know, I was expecting it a little more vibrant, like a little lighter, but this looks really good. I can't hate any color. Like they're all looking. This looks nice. More on the natural. Like I don't want to like be too much in your face kind of vibe. Definitely covers my brown eyes perfectly. I like it. Do you like it? Tell me. Tell me if you like it. I'm gonna show you it in daylight, of course. I've actually been procrastinating and postponing doing this video because it was getting dark. It was a cloudy day after that. Then it was like nighttime again. So I couldn't get you your daylight shots. So trust, I got you. So here we have this gray. It's Icy Grey. I'll try to go in the sunlight, but it's so bright that maybe you'll see my eyes like this. But yeah. Too much. Too much. Hey, Mom. Can you make a video? It's okay. I know, actually. Yeah. Well, fam is famming. That throws me off so much. Can you guys relate to that? Like I have something in my head and then boom, bam, 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 out of schedule. But I'm happy that we're all healthy. So the next color, the Ethereal Blue. This is 14 diameter. It's a blue. Oh my god, look at that limbal ring. It has a huge dark blue limbal ring and then a very light blue body. Of course, it comes with a blue case. But maybe that's random, so don't take my word for it. I've shown you this before, but look at this, guys. Like how stinking cute is this? Well, I hope you didn't forget, but if you did, you can use my code Stella20 for 20% off, or the crazy Stella by itself for buy 2 and get 3 extras. Oh, why am I so bright? What happened? Oh my god. I'm sorry. So it looks like gray and blue. Very interesting combo. Like if you're just kind of sick and tired of what you've been already using, like if it all looks like the same colors to you, this is a very interesting take on a color combo. I don't understand, like it looks like a very light blue, but then it turns into a gray more. Hello? Okay. It looks like a gray more. I guess it's my brown eye. So it blends in. It blends in so well, actually. Let's see it outside. Here we are on the outside world. Looks very interesting. It does. Let me show you in the sun. I like. Do you like? Wait, am I saying the same thing all the time? So that was the Ethereal Blue, and for last I have a very dark pinecone green that I chose. It's called Coral Sea Green, and it's a diameter of 14.2, which is a little bit on the bigger side. Oh my god, it looks so good. It reminds me of the Aegean series. I don't know if you have tried that already or not, but look at this. Look, it's just, you want to drink it, but not really drink it, but you get what I mean. Well, you all know how much I like a little bigger diameter on the lenses. It just gives me that cute vibe. And I'm usually going for the bigger lenses, but I've heard that some of you guys cannot put it in. So I wanted to try some more normal one. Oh, please, exposure. I hate this exposure. What happened? Oh, baby. Oh, that looks so good. You remember when I was talking about veininess? I'll show you what I mean exactly with this one. You see what I'm saying? It's just, guys, always make sure when you put it on your finger like this, not for it to go like outwards, because it's gonna be flipped and you don't want to put your lens flipped because it's gonna bother you. Oh, wow. That's what I'm talking about. I love this one. So this is dark, but the limbo ring is like almost black, so it makes the contrast really, really good. Oh, let's see it outside. I'm obsessed already. I think the sun is gone. I think we'll have clouds for a little bit, but yeah, this is what it looks like. It's a very, very nice green. I love it. I love it so much. Yeah, see, no sun here, but you can probably see the color very nicely. Okay, and with this we completed the first part. We saw a lot of beautiful colors. You can use my code Stella for buy 2 pairs, pay for 2 pairs and get 5. So buy 2 and get 3 for free. And of course you can always use my code Stella20 for 20% off in your entire order. And I think that will put this video. Oh, the dog is up. Go. Very, very careful, always. Come on, Dixie, you can go out. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And the gloves, I'm not sure if you can get them on the website. Look for them. Maybe they're sold out, maybe they're not, maybe they're there. Maybe they send it as a gift. This glasses case, that is also so cute. I was obsessed once again. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment down below. Let me know what you think, what you want to see. I love you guys so much, and I will see you on the next one. Come here, Dixie. Say bye. Yeah, say bye to everyone. Say bye. Bye. I'll see you on part 2. Just watch for part 2. I'm gonna film it right now.